Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. The 6th Annual Man of the World candidates kicked off their tourism and cultural journey at Subic Safari in Subic, Zambales, embracing the theme Masculinity with Responsibility. This event marked the beginning of an enriching experience for the delegates, blending adventure, environmental advocacy, and cultural appreciation. The day commenced with a warm welcome at the Subic Safari, a renowned wildlife sanctuary known for its diverse collection of exotic animals and interactive exhibit. The candidates had the opportunity to explore the safari, witnessing the beauty of wildlife up close and personal. This unique experience allowed them to appreciate the importance of wildlife conservation and the role of sanctuaries in preserving biodiversity. And one of the highlights of the visit was the tree planting activity where the delegates demonstrated their commitment to environmental stewardship and sustainability. Armed with saplings, the candidates eagerly anticipated in planting trees, symbolizing their dedication to combating climate change and promoting a greener planet. And this activity not only underscored the theme of masculinity with responsibility, but also highlighted the importance of collective efforts in environmental conservation. Throughout the day, the candidates engaged with local guides and learned about the rich cultural heritage of Zambales. They gained insight into the region's history, traditions, and the vital role of community in preserving cultural identity. This immersive experience fostered a deeper appreciation for the Philippines' cultural diversity and natural beauty. And the event concluded with the reflection session where the candidates shared their thoughts on the day activities and their personal commitments to environmental and cultural advocacy. The journey at Subic Safari set the tone for the rest of the competition, emphasizing the importance of responsibility, sustainability, and cultural appreciation. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pagkomento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!